Hey everyone, it's Katie. You looking good? Feeling good. Grab those net pots because it's time to plant our garden. Net pots are the little baskets that will hold your plants in place when you put them in the tower garden. As your plants grow, the roots are going to dangle from the bottom of the net pot in the inside of the system, and they'll be exposed to the water as it falls from the top of the shower cap all the way down through the system. Pretty cool. If net pots aren't really your jam, we actually have clips available as well. Instead of a basket, it's more of a hook shape. Maybe I'll do a video of that as well to show you what it looks like. And it's time to plant our lovely seedlings. Ooh, this is definitely one of my favorite parts of the gardening process. If you're new to gardening, you might want to label your plants. You can do this by using a little tiny sticky note or taking a dry erase marker and even writing on the tower itself. I've used popsicle sticks before and written on the popsicle sticks. There's different ways that you can label them. At this point though, I've done it enough to where I know what I'm planting and what it looks like. We're almost done. Now we just have to add the light kit. So I started to assemble the light kit before I put it on the tower. I've already attached 3 of the 4 lamps, and as you can see, I'm attaching that last one there. It's a little difficult to see, I guess, because, tower's in the way. I apologize for that. Whoopsies. Now, I'm going through and adjusting these lamps. Now, while these seedlings are still small, you want those lights to be pretty close. In fact, you might want to move them in a little bit closer than what I've done in this particular video. That way, your seedlings will not become leggy, which is where they get really weak and they stretch towards the light. Don't forget to plug everything in and add your water and your nutrients. Plug in your timer, don't forget. And you're done. Happy growing!